Hi, Dawn Lewis here with a brand new unboxing video. I've got my scalpel, I've got my box. So this is a Kindred Stamps order. Very excited about this. It's right on the eve of the new release. I've just received the last release. Oh, there's so many pretty things going to be in this box. Now, I've heard a bit of feedback, you guys liking the opening of boxes. It's noisy and it's fun. Look, we're going to tip it all on the desk. Ah! Maybe one day I should just not tip these out. I should just unpack them neatly from the box. Yeah, right, that's going to happen. Okay, it's a bit manic here and you'll hear a bit of noise because there is a massive thunderstorm overhead. And look at all the stamps. Okay, so my laptop is covered in stamps and there's going to be an avalanche. What I have here is a whole bunch of new release and we're going to get stuck straight in, no sorting. Thankfully, Audrey usually packs things together, so that's really cool. Ooh, okay. This set is called Midnight Movies. So Midnight Movies is based on a very famous movie that people go now to see for fan nights out at midnight, and it's a 6x8 set. Absolutely hilarious fun. It's got I Love You, Damn It, A Toast to, You're My Creature, The Happy Couple, This Special Day, Another Bloody Birthday. Oh yes, You Thrill Me, and You're My Favorite Obsession. If you know this fandom, you probably will want this set. A lot of these are already going to pre-orders, so I'll yeah, I don't know how many there'll be left. I did try to order extras. I ordered a lot. So hopefully there'll be some. Oh, yay, a restock. One of my favorite movies in the world. Okay, this set is called Off to See the Wizard. I enjoy the musical about this one, and I did also enjoy the musical about this one. It's a beautiful set. I really love the beautiful city. Oh, I've got a new light in my office, so because it's so dark because of the storm, I'm using it and it's reflecting a lot. Sorry about that. But this is a restock. You'll find this in the shop. We've got a little dude, a little robot dude. We've got a little scarecrow. We've got a little lion, a little witch, a little fairy, a little girl, a little city. Very happy to have that one back in stock. Oh, another restock. This one's always really popular. It's called The One with the Friend. Now, if you love this set, like a lot of people love this set, you might want to pair it with a set by Kindred Stamps called The One with the Friends. So this is the one with the friend and the other, no, the one with all the stamps. Okay, so I'll try and link them together in the shop. So if you're seeing one, you're seeing the other. It's got a lot of sentiments in it, and this one has a lot of images in it. So if you, oh, yay, awesome. So you know when I unboxed the Sassy Club, I got Sassy Games and Sass is coming. Here is Kindred's one. This is Royal Throne. There's another one called Heirs to the Throne. This one has an actual throne, and I'm very excited that's back in stock. Ooh, yay! Everything that I'm unpacking you can get here in Australia at dawnlewis.com.au, and I will link it all below so it's nice and easy to find. This one has also been a popular pre-order request. It's called The Horror. I love this set. I think it's absolutely amazing. We've got the horror, you're so dreamy. I get that. Have a, sorry I bit your head off, you're fantastic. You're killing me. Oh, stab, you're it. Ooh, I love you to death. Happy Halloween. You're a scream and killer. Now you could also pair this up with the other one with Another Bloody Birthday. I think that would be a fantastic combo. So we've got a lot of horror genre in here. It's a very cool set if you're into that. And given that Halloween is just around the corner, much to my family's great excitement, it's timely, I think. Now, for those who aren't so much into Halloween, like my youngest daughter, she much prefers Christmas, I'm very happy that this one's back in stock. It's Santa's Elf. This is the first Christmas movie I will play every year. As soon as Halloween's done, I switch from The Nightmare Before Christmas to Elf, and I'm so excited. So that one's here. So we've got that one, and for the first time, it's an older set, but I've got it here for the first time. Now I'm going to have to find the name of this one. What's this one called? This is Christmas Chaos. So Christmas Chaos is going to also pair really nicely with a brand new Incro set, which I'm waiting to come back into stock so I can get it, called something Clark. But this is another Christmas themed set. Now, my personal obsession at the moment is Bob Ross. Back in June or July, we went to Supernova, and I took a photo of my husband being painted by a guy dressed as Deadpool, dressed as Bob Ross. And my husband thought it was hilarious, and I didn't get the reference. So when we got home, he showed me this video of Deadpool doing a spoof of Bob Ross, and I thought, yes, that's funny, but I didn't understand why. So then we started watching Bob Ross videos. I'm hooked. That man has such a calm voice, and I love painting. I especially love wet on wet blending, although I do it with acrylics and he's doing it with oils. I'm completely obsessed, and we watch a lot of Bob Ross videos of an evening, especially if I'm finding it hard to go to sleep. I find his voice really soothing. Happy little trees, or is it happy little accidents? Happy Accidents. This set is called Happy Accidents. I totally want to keep one for myself. I love this set. It's gorgeous. No mistakes, just happy accidents and happy little trees. I seriously want that as a couple's costume, but my husband's not so keen. Okay, so we've got that. Oh, I think, I'm just going to check, but I think I'm down to my last couple of sets. I am. Oh, okay, I've got 3 sets left to show you. This one is a new release, and it is called Llama. Get this straight. Llamas and alpacas seem to be the thing at the moment. I've got one coming in from Honeybee. Hear that lightning? Oh, hear that thunder? It just changed all the lights in my house. So there's a few llamas and alpacas coming in. This one we've got Spit Happens. Oh, that'd be great on a baby card. So Llama, get this straight. Save the drama for your llama. And we've got It's Your Anniversary and Birthday. So it's really cute. It's got a little cactus, there's a little tassel fringe, and the llama itself is very cute. I sub in llama and alpaca quite a bit. I think they kind of work. I think they're related. Okay, so the last 2 that I have to show you, this one is, oh, here comes some more. Oh, it's really close. This one is called Day of the Dead. We've got this really cool Day of the Dead set. It's movie based. I don't have little kids anymore. I haven't seen this one, but it's really cute. I love the skulls on the pennants. I love the really decorated skull in here. We've got a whole bunch of sentiments. The life of the dead is placed in the memory of the living. Oh, I like that. So I've got a few of those, and last but definitely not least, and I'm afraid this is completely sold out in pre-sales, Childhood Friends. Will I be ordering this back in? You bet I will. This is adorable. I missed out, but this is adorable. It's called Childhood Friends. So if you placed a pre-order, you can watch for them to head out soon. I will put it in the shop as out of stock, so you can go have a look at it and see if that's one you want. You can just hit the pre-order tab on dawnlewis.com.au and request one of these be held for you from my next order. That's everything I've got for you today from Kindred Stamps. I hope you enjoyed that unboxing. I certainly did. I know it was only a short one, but hey, good things come in boxes from America. I will be back with more unboxing and tutorial videos really soon. Remember, if there's something you would like to order in from Kindred Stamps, you can leave me a message over at dawnlewis.com.au, fill in a pre-order form, and I'll be happy to order that in for you. Hope you have a very crafty day, people, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.